I have some big breaking news involving the Four Boxes Diner Second Amendment channel, but I want to put it into some context. That context is that the Second Amendment community all across this great country is growing and growing, and the anti-gunners cannot stop us. I'll talk more about this when we get right back. Hey folks, I'm Mark Smith, host of the Four Boxes Diner, constitutional attorney, member of the United States Supreme Court Bar, New York Times bestselling author, and of course, proud American gun owner. If you haven't subscribed to the Four Boxes Diner Second Amendment channel, please do so and show your love for the right to keep and bear arms and help us get to 100,000 followers. We're really working hard to get that number of subscribers as fast as we can to help us with the algorithm. All right, folks, we have some big news today, which is that the Four Boxes Diner channel here has been nominated for 2 Gundie Awards. We've been nominated for the top voices of the Second Amendment all across America. We're very honored by that nomination. We've also been nominated in another category for Breakout Creator of the Year, which is, of course, for creators that are relatively new to social media and YouTube, which, of course, is me, as I'm still learning to use YouTube and Twitter, among other things. So anyway, this is big, exciting news. For those of you who don't know what the Gundies are, it was a award created several years ago, and I'll read it right from their website. The Gundie Awards are a set of awards that recognize top creators in the firearm industry. The awards are voted on by the community and provide a platform for creators to gain exposure and recognition. The awards were inspired by an episode of the TV show The Office and were created as a way to bring the firearm community together. It goes on and on from there. I put a link to it down below. But the big news is that we've been nominated for 2 categories. We're really honored by that. There is the ability to vote for us. If you want to go to the Gundie website and vote for us, that's totally up to you. We'd appreciate that. Not mission critical, though. It's up to you. But I do want to talk a little bit about why I think it's important that the Gundies exist and why I think it's important that there's a lot of creators out there. You see, I think for many, many years, the number of Second Amendment advocates, to the extent they were out there, they didn't get a lot of airtime. They were not given the exposure that is now available thanks to the internet, thanks to social media platforms and the like. And I think it's wonderful that there are so many people talking about Second Amendment issues from different perspectives. I mean, there's some great gun channels out there that talk about guns and ammunition. We don't do that on this channel here because there's so many other wonderful people out there that really know their stuff better than we do in terms of the proper firearms, how to use firearms, how to use them safely, how to shoot, ammunition, all those sort of technical details. And there's a lot of other people talking about the importance of the right to keep and bear arms from different perspectives. Now, we here at the Four Boxes Diner, as you know, we try to really give you the inside baseball, kind of the geeky perspective of inside the courtroom in a way. Legal techniques, Supreme Court strategy, personalities in the legal system, how to think about certain issues, and really how to argue the Second Amendment from extremely high-end constitutional scholarly point of view that really digs down and really digs deep into the text and the history of a right to keep and bear arms in a very deep way that's not so easy to access because it requires a lot of research and analysis of thousands upon thousands of pages of materials and the like. It's very doable once you get into it and can talk about it, but it takes a lot of work, and we try to fulfill that very geeky scholarship role in the 2A community. But there's a lot of other roles that get filled, and I'm very proud to be nominated for the 2 categories of the Gundies, the top voices of the Second Amendment, and also Breakout Creator of the Year. Great honors here at the Four Boxes Diner, and again, whether we win or not, that's a secondary consideration. We're just happy to be part of a wonderful group of people that are doing great work as American patriots on social media, and we're proud to be part of that. And we hope that we contribute in some small way to protecting our right to keep and bear arms, and all of our constitutional rights for that matter. So, okay, just a little bit of big announcement. I think it's great news all across the country that we have such a robust Second Amendment movement, that you can have such a thing as the Gundies today. I don't think you could have them 20 years ago, and now we do, and that's very exciting. And I'm grateful to be part of the Second Amendment community. And again, I hope you learned something today about the Gundie Awards and the Second Amendment. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We'll see you again soon here at the Four Boxes Diner.
Orders up. Table 2A.